So these are the elevators at the Courtyard Marriott in Maryland Heights, Missouri. These are 1980s Westinghouses that were modernized by Schindler. This seems like a fairly recent mod, and I never did see what these were originally. So we'll go up to 3. This sounds just like a 330A, but it has innovation. Back down to 1. And here is the other elevator. Elevator C. That's interesting. There's only 2 elevators here. This one is basically the same as the other one. Let's go to 3. Back down to 1. Cabinet is open. And both of those are rather boring now, but those are definitely nice mods. So that's it.